What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Dean here from Wheel Hobbies again. So I'm coming at you today. We've got a little video regarding some upgrades I bought for my arrma typhon 6S BLX. So I bought these upgrades from Lee Woods, shout out to him, from Custom RC Upgrades. You can see their website. We'll put a link down below as to where you can get all these parts from on Custom RC Upgrades. Do you know something, guys? I'm blown away as to how stunning these parts actually are, and you even get all these stickers as well. You really can't complain at all. So yeah, got all these stickers. So we've got the Typhon Just Bash It RC shock towers. Look at the shine on those bad boys. Get them under the light. Whoa, flipping heck. Martin Crease, you weren't lying, mate. You need your sunglasses on for these. Look at that. Yeah, so we've got the shock towers. arrma Typhon shock towers. These are the Custom RC Upgrades chassis braces. Tell you something, the machine work in these guys is phenomenal. They're absolutely lovely. They really are. Such good quality items. So we've got the front and back ones of those. You've got the steering rack, Custom RC Upgrade steering rack. You've got the spools, go between the wing mount. No, sorry, they go between one of those braces, that's it. Got both of those. And then you've got the, I do believe this is a wing mount. Like I say, I just ended up purchasing the whole lot. Initially ordered these. I just messaged Lee and I said, I'm going to buy the whole lot. So we got the Just Bash It RC servo mount. It's a billet servo mount. It's a one-piece servo mount. Look at that, this is machined from a billet piece of aluminium. These parts are so tough. They need to be a me behind them. Ah, and this is beautiful. You've got the Just Bash It chassis. Look how thick that is. Oh, this thing, you can just tell. You get it. I haven't got a stock chassis to hand, but this thing is absolutely phenomenal compared to a stock chassis. And I love what they've done with these upstands all around the edge. This is machined from a piece of billet aluminium. I think the only bit they actually bend is this here. They put the bend in there. But I tell you something, this is solid. I've actually tried to bend this by hand and I can't. And you've got these upstands here. These are just going to add to the strength, no end. So I'm absolutely chuffed with this. I cannot wait to get this on the truck. That's going to be in another video. We'll get all this in another video. We'll get all this on, get all these parts on, and we'll take it out and we'll absolutely hammer this and show you what it's like. So yeah, what else did we get? Got some other bits and pieces as well. I got some arrma Creighton rear hubs and hexes. I'm waiting on some Creighton front hubs at the moment because I'm building a trugified Typhon. The plan is to run a Ford F100 1/10 scale body. If you know what body mounts I need, guys, leave a comment in the description. Not in the description, in the comments section. That would be useful. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I need Italian rear body mounts. And I think I need an arrma Senton front mount. And we'll possibly go for Italian wing mount with a Italian or outcast wing. I don't really know the details on that. So we'll go for that as well. I've already got the axles for my hubs in the garage as well. So we've already got those. We'll be trying it on some Proline Badland buggy tyres to begin with. But we may look at some 2.8 trenches at some point. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to check out Custom RC Upgrades website. These guys sell some awesome products. As I say, check out our next video because we're going to put these to the test. Cheers now. Bye bye.